And because of the Dobbs decision of the U.S. Supreme Court that threw away an almost 50-year-old precedent, Roe versus Wade, that recognized a right under our Constitution for women to make their own decisions about their bodies, my 23-year-old daughter doesn't have the same rights that I do. And what I want for her and what I want for Judge Schimmel's daughters is the same thing. If they are pregnant and something goes terribly wrong in their pregnancy, I don't want them to lie bleeding on a hospital bed while their doctors are huddled in another room trying to decide if they're close enough to death before they can deliver health care services to them. So voters need to understand that this is a critical issue in this race. My opponent has said he believes the 1849 law in Wisconsin is valid law. He's trying to backpedal from that position now, and he said that he does not believe there's any constitutional right to abortion under the Wisconsin Constitution. That's the choice presented to the Wisconsin voters in this election.
Do you believe there is a constitutional right to abortion in Wisconsin?
Again, I'm not going to take a position on that because that is an issue pending before the Wisconsin Supreme Court. I have not read the briefs in that case. I have not heard the parties' arguments or seen the kind of evidence they've presented in support of their positions. That's an open question. That's a question that will be decided by the Wisconsin Supreme Court. What I can say is that I believe that Dobbs decision was wrongly decided when the U.S. Supreme Court, for the first time ever, overturned a precedent that had extended and recognized constitutional rights to women throughout our country. It threw it away, and now here we are back in the state of Wisconsin having to relitigate and redecide these critical issues, these life and death matters, these very personal decisions about health care that women have to make.